Moving models from Blender to Unreal Engine is simple with this setup, eliminating the need for manual saves. You can seamlessly move your meshes and bring your Blender creations into Unreal Engine. Step 1. Create a GitHub account. Start by ensuring you have a GitHub account. It's straightforward to set up if you haven't already. Head over to the first link in the description to get started on that. Step 2. Link your Epic and GitHub accounts. Navigate to your Epic account settings and select Apps and Accounts. There, you'll find an option to connect with GitHub. Click it, follow the instructions, and confirm the email invitation from Epic Games to link your accounts. Step 3. Downloading the add-on from Epic Games GitHub. With your accounts now linked and your access to Epic Games GitHub secured, a vast array of tools is at your fingertips. Follow the second link in our video description to reach Epic Games GitHub. There, navigate until you spot Blender Tools. Continue scrolling to locate Send to Unreal and select Download Add-on. Look for the Assets section, and within it, you'll find the Send to UE zip folder. Click to download the add-on. Step 4. Installing the add-on in Blender. With the add-on downloaded, open Blender and head to Preferences, then Add-on. Click Install, locate the zip file you've downloaded, and ensure it's activated. Step 5. Preparing Unreal Engine. In your Unreal Engine project, go to Edit, Plugins. Search for Python and enable the Python Editor Script plugin. Then, search for Script and enable Editor Script Utilities. Restart your project to apply these changes. Next, navigate to Edit, Project Settings, and search for Python. Here, make sure to enable Remote Execution. Final step. Sending meshes from Blender to Unreal Engine. Back in Blender, place the object you want to transfer in the new Export folder created from adding the add-on. Then, from the Pipeline menu at the top, select Export, Send to Unreal. If you're getting any errors with your export, make sure you save your Blender file, then try again. Switch back to Unreal Engine and you'll find your imported mesh and materials in a new folder named Untitled Category. Just like that, your Blender creation has successfully transitioned into Unreal Engine. Remember, any modifications you need to make to the mesh can be easily updated. Simply ensure the object's name in Blender matches its counterpart in Unreal Engine. This way, you can seamlessly adjust and re-export your model to Unreal Engine, instantly refreshing the changes. Don't miss out on more insightful tutorials. Make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Keep those creative juices flowing, and I look forward to guiding you through another tutorial soon.